save
What?
another part. Yeah, you have 63 gigabytes, so we can handle filming many footage. That we can easily remember this. What's this? Where are we?
In the middle of nowhere, I guess.
No, we're not. We're already in the town proper. Look at this, we're in the town proper. Oh my goodness. Sibuyas. Samgyeopsal. And this. Oh man, looks like we've been here before. Mongabon. Oh, we're still here. There are two town crackers here. Save Chow Queen! Chow Queen! If there's a Chow King, there's a Chow Queen. Let me swap pero na video ko. I video it. 11:56. We have nothing to do, so we'll just go. Rizal na naman? And this is where all of our food grows. They're trying their best. Yes, El Video now. Yeah, just like Australia now. Oh, we're back in Rizal. We're back. And we did not go to Labi Bridge. Just because
Nakababad talaga yun. Hindi niya kaya yung nag-absorb siya ng init. Nag-absorb siya. Kaya naka-silo. Hindi ka gaya yung baka. Likewise yan ba?
now we're again in the middle of nowhere. Oh, and now we're in the bridge. We are back here. I think we crossed it again. Oh, we crossed it again. We got back here. Footage will be soon. I see this. Oh, Cindy's truck. Spare vision truck, but the kid is in there. hard.
Kulay puti. Okay, asan yung kulay puting ganito?
Dito.
Saan? Ingat. Ah.
What? Oh, it's there. Pantabangan. We're back. We're gonna return to Farm Bridge. And we're gonna visit Vice Ganda. It's there. Yung Pantabangan. Ayun na, yung arko.
Eh, tinigat.
Ah, no, that's not Pantabangan. That is, we're back here. Yeah, Maricels. Their jeep is, yeah, vehicles are work. The people who make the vehicle work so hard. They bond it so that they'll bond it together so that it can be strong.
Oh.
Yeah. The road. Yeah, searching. Oh shit. That was caught video.
Bigla siyang lumiko. Oh. Tangan ng... Ulat din ako bigla siyang lumiko.
He suddenly it's a kid rider. Suddenly turned. He faked everyone.
Matay.
It's like a basketball player.
Oh.
Ano nangyari, Daddy?
Ayan, sige.
Ah. Searching for an eatery. Man, oh man. So searching for an eatery led us here. Led us back to where it all started. So you know where it is. Ah.
Parang ano si Kuya dito. Parang ano si Kuya. Amoy
I
si
feel like
Kuya.
I did good for you now.
Aray ko.
Bye. Say, what are they buying?
Honey.
I loved it. They're delicious. It's now 12:34. We still haven't took lunch.
Yeah.
Hey, you wanna taste the honeydew? They came from this farm.
Oh, this is for you. Ay.
How many more? Two more?
Ito, tama na to. Dalawa lang.
Melon pa.
Uy! No!
Oi.
No! 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 No!
Babay ka na. Babay ka. Hello, hello.
No!
Hello.
Sige na, hello.
Magano ka.
Kala nga lalabas siya.
Sige na, pasok ka na, mami.
Halika na, balong. Halika na,
Mami,
halika na.
sarado mo na yung pinto.
Hello. Yan o.
Sige na, hello. Okay.
Mamaya.
We're almost at a nearby job and be saved. Basketball court. A good thing no one's outside just because it's so dangerous right now. The sun is gonna kill you. Feels like lalera na. Lalerna. Looks like another town proper. What the hell? They don't have. They're not wearing anything. Town officials. That is not good. I saw it. It's in that tent. They're not wearing anything. Use our videos as screen, as background. Oh my goodness! Saliva of a dog spreading. Look, ang dami parcel. What time are we gonna go there? 3 o'clock? The same time we got. Okay. Ay, malapit na tayo sa Walter Mart. Walter Mart, Paninggi joke. Walter Mart, Talavera. I think we are here. We are almost here in Walter Mart, Talavera. Yeah, we are almost here. Hey, Walter Mart. Wait, Walter Mart.
Yes or
You can
no?
see
Okay,
Kaluhan.
we're almost there.
Okay.
You want water, you can drink from Radinas.
Is he feeling uneasy again, Safe?
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't drank, but I can do it. That's why my voice is deeper than deep.
Save up. Take.
Ow! Okay. And yeah, the last part.
Ay, save yan. Okay.
I don't need it stand. All good. Alpha ba? Homestead Talavera. Oh, we are in Talavera.
Ikaw, gusto mo?
Oh, we're spreading bread.
Tabi.
Look, babe. What's this? Forest Lake. we're still that far. In this poster. With this. And an LED screen should be active at night. Ow! 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 Puro curve. You know, they're sharp curves. These are very sharp turns, so. We are here. But we're not gonna eat here. Oh my goodness. We are here, but I think we're gonna park. Ah! Why are we not? Why did we pass on it? Okay, we can end the video here. Oh, we didn't go. Yeah.